Welcome to Spandy Way. In this video, we will see how to cook chicken fry. Before starting the process, keep chopped onions, ginger garlic paste and garam masala ready. For garam masala, check the description of this video for recipe. First, marinate chicken with onions, ginger garlic paste, garam masala, salt, chili powder, turmeric, ghee, lemon juice and coriander. Mix it well and add some water to the marination. Rest the marination for at least 15 minutes. Take a pan and add marinated chicken. Ensure to cook on low flame for chicken to release water. Slow cook until chicken gets soft and tender. Now take a separate non-stick pan and heat oil. Add curry leaves and green chilies. After they sizzle, transfer cooked chicken along with stock to this pan. Fry on high flame and keep stirring until all the gravy is absorbed to chicken. Now add cashew and pepper powder and fry for 3 to 4 minutes by stirring well. Transfer the dish to a serving bowl and garnish it. In some places of India, people like to eat chicken fry as a side dish with rasam or sambar rice. Thank you. If you like the video, please like, comment and share. Also subscribe to Spandy Way for more videos.